Good morning, students. Welcome back to online class. How are you, students? I hope you all are fine and safe in your home. In the beginning of this class, we can recollect few important points about previous class portion. Okay. In the previous class, which topic we discussed? Have you remember? We discussed about the subject and our nations. Is it? In the previous class, we discussed about social science subject and our nations. Okay. First of all, we will recollect few important points from our nation and our subject. Okay. First, we learned about our subject. Our subject is social science. Is it? Social science has how many branches? Very good. Four branches. Okay, four branches. What are the four branches? History, geography, civics, and economics. Is it? From here, first we learnt about history. Is it? What is history? Can you remember? Very good. History is the study of all the events of the past. Is it? What is history? History is the study of all the events of the past. Then the history, father of the history. Who is the father of the history? Herodotus. Is it? Herodotus is the father of history. Then we learned about the three main divisions of history. That means three main branches of history. Is it? Have you remember, students, what are the three main branches of history? Very good. Free history, medieval history, and modern history. Prehistory, medieval history, and modern history. Is it? Prehistory means from up to 5th century. Is it? Up to 5th century is prehistory period. That means prehistory is the vast period of time before written records or human documentation. Then next, the second branch is medieval history. Is it? Medieval history is divided into two types, that is early medieval and late medieval. Early medieval is from 5th century to 13th century. Late medieval is from 13th century to 16th century. Is it? Then the third branch is modern history. Is it? Which is the third branch? Modern history. Modern history also have two types, early modern period and modern period. Is it? Early modern period is from 16th century to 19th century. Modern period is from 19th century until today. Is it? Then next we will learn about the second branch. Is it? Second branch is geography. Second branch is geography. Is it? Then what is geography? Have you remember? Geography is the study of world surface, physical qualities, climate, population, products, etc. What is geography? Geography is the study of world surface, physical qualities, climate, population, products, etc. Okay. Then, who is the father of geography? Eratosthenes. Eratosthenes is the father of geography. Is it? Then, next, and also the geography has two main branches. Is it? What are the two main branches in geography? Very good. Human geography and physical geography. Human geography and physical geography. Human geography is the study of interrelationship between people, place, environment, etc. Then physical geography means the study of earth's surface, animals, planets, etc. Okay. Then which is the third branch? Civics. Is it? Civics is the third branch. Then what is civics? Civics is the study of the rights and duties of citizenship of a society. Civics is the study of the rights and duties of citizenship of a society. Okay. Then who is the father of civics? Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin is the father of civics. Okay. Then finally we learned about the last branch, that is economics. Is it? Economics is the last branch. Then what is economics? Economics is the study or principles of the way money, business, industry and organization, and also economics is the study with production, distribution and consumption of goods and services. Okay. Then who is the father of economics? Adam Smith. Adam Smith is the father of economics. Is it? Then next we learned about our nations. Is it? Next we learned about our nation. From there some motivation question I asked you. I think you remembered that all the answers. Which is our nation? India is our nation. Is it? India is our nation. Then which is the capital of India? New Delhi. Is it? New Delhi is the capital of India. There are 29 states and 8 union territories are there in India. Is it? Then 29th state is Telangana. Is it? 29th state is Telangana. It was formed June 2nd, 2014. Okay. And also 8 union territories also you learned. That 8 union territories you have to memorize. Okay. Then next we learned about our nation's details. For example, India is the dash largest country in the world. India is the dash largest country in the world. Seventh largest country. India is the seventh largest country in the world. Then India is located in which continent? Asia. Okay, India is located in Asian continent. Okay, and also India is separated by one of the mountain from rest of the continent. Which is that particular mountain? Very good. Himalayan mountain. Okay, Himalayan mountain was separated India from the rest of the continent. Okay, India is separated by Himalayas from the rest of the continent. Okay, then India is located, the 3 sites are oceans, is it? Which are the oceans are surrounded by India? Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. Is it? Indian Ocean is in south, Arabian Sea in the west and Bay of Bengal in the east. Is it? Then we learned about the neighboring countries of India. Is it? Neighboring countries of India. Which are the countries are the neighboring countries of India? Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal, Bhutan in the north, and Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east. Okay, which are the countries are surrounded by India? What are the neighboring countries of India? Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest. Okay, then China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east. Okay, these are the things we learned in the previous class. And also I gave one homework. Have you remember, students, which homework I gave? To draw the map. Is it? Political map of India. I hope you do that map exercise also. Okay, those who did not do that map exercise, you have to do regularly. Okay, regularly day-to-day portions you have to do. Okay, then now let us come forward to today's class. Okay, now let us come forward to today's class. Today I am going to explain about our nation. Okay, today also I will discuss about our nation. In the last class, which are the neighboring countries are there and the water frontiers, these are the things we learned. In this class, I will explain the location and the extent of India. Okay, in this class, I will explain the location and extent of India. Okay, India extends from 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitudes and 68 degrees 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitudes. Now listen very careful, students. India extends from 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitudes. Okay. Then 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitudes. Okay, latitudes and longitudes. Okay, two lines are there, latitudes and longitudes. Okay, latitudes and longitudes. Okay, hence India is located in the northeastern hemisphere. Hence, India is located in the northeastern hemisphere. Okay, just you see the map, students. India is located in the northeastern hemisphere. It extends from 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitudes and 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitudes. Okay, and also the in India, the southernmost point of mainland of India is Cap Comorin. Cap Comorin means Kanyakumari. Okay, in our district. Kanyakumari is our district, is it? Which is our district? Kanyakumari, is it? Cap Comorin. The other name of Kanyakumari is Cap Comorin. Okay, in India, the southernmost point of the mainland of India is Cap Comorin or Kanyakumari. The northern point is Indra Col. The northern point is Indra Col. Okay, just you see this map, students. The southern point and the northern point are given. The southernmost point of the mainland is Cap Comorin, that is in Kanyakumari district, and the northern point is Indra Col, that is in Jammu Kashmir. Indra Col means Jammu Kashmir. Okay, that line, cross line. Okay, north to south line. Just you identify the north to south line. The southernmost point, that is in Kanyakumari. The northern point is Indra Col, that is in Jammu Kashmir. Okay, then the north-south extent of India is 3,214 km. The north-south extent of India is 3,214 km. Just you see the map, students. They are given the north-south extent. Only one north to south, one line given. Is it north to south? One line is given. That is north-south extent of India. Okay, now that is north-south extent of India. The area is 3,214 kilometer. Okay, the north-south extent of India is 3,214 kilometer. This is very important map question. So all the students, you have to identify it. Okay, the north-south extent. In the map question, they will ask north-south corridor. Okay, they ask north-south corridor. North to south, one line is given. That particular line you have to draw. That is north-south corridor. It occupy 3,214 kilometers. Okay, 3,214 kilometers. Okay, this particular corridor, that means north-south corridor, is extends from Indra Col in Jammu and Kashmir in the north. Okay, listen very careful. This north-south extent of India is extends from Indra Col. Indra Col is in Jammu Kashmir in the north. Okay, Indra Col is in Jammu Kashmir in the north. It is extends from Indra Col or Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari in the south. Okay, Kanyakumari in the south. Then the next one is the east-west extension. Just you see the map. East to west, one line is given, is it? That is the east-west extension or east-west corridor. Okay, it extends 2,933 kilometers. Okay, it extends 2,933 kilometers, and also this particular corridor, that means east-west corridor, is stretches from Rann of Kutch in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. Now, just you see the map, students. East-west corridor. This east-west corridor, east to west, one line is there. That is east-west corridor. That particular east-west corridor is stretches from Rann of Kutch. Rann of Kutch in the west. Rann of Kutch is situated in Gujarat. Okay, Rann of Kutch is situated in Gujarat. It stretches from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. Arunachal Pradesh in the east. Okay, and also the Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of the country. In the India map, you have to see, is it that one in the middle, one line is there, is it? That is the Tropic of Cancer, 23 degree 30 minutes north. That is 23 degree 30 minutes north. Tropic of Cancer. Okay, that line is called Tropic of Cancer in the middle line. Okay, in the middle line, that is called Tropic of Cancer. That particular Tropic of Cancer is passes through the middle of the country, and that particular Tropic of Cancer divide India into two part. Okay, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Okay, that is called northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Okay, can you understand, students? Just I will repeat the location and the extent. India extends from 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitudes and 68 degrees 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude. So, India is located in northeastern hemisphere. India is situated in northeastern hemisphere. Okay, and also in India, the southernmost point is Cap Comorin. Okay, in India, the southernmost point is Cap Comorin. Cap Comorin means Kanyakumari. Okay, what is the other name of Kanyakumari? Cap Comorin. Southernmost point is Kanyakumari, and the northernmost point is Indra Col. Okay, the northernmost point is Indra Col. Indra Col means Jammu Kashmir. Okay, then north south, yes, extent of India. North south extent, how much kilometers? Have you remember? 3214 kilometer. Okay, just you see the map, the north to south one line is there. No, that only north south extent. In the map question they ask north south corridor, 3214 kilometer. And also that particular corridor is started from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari in the south. Jammu Kashmir, Indra Col, Jammu Kashmir, it is in northern India, and it joined in Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari is in southern India. Okay, then from east to west one line is there, that is east west corridor. The extension of east west corridor is 2933 kilometers. 2933 kilometers. That particular line is stretches from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh in the east. Rann of Kutch is situated in Gujarat. It is in the west, from west to east Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, then in the middle of the map, one line is there, that is Tropic of Cancer. Okay, in the India map we can see that line is called Tropic of Cancer. That Tropic of Cancer is divides India into two halves part, two equal part. That means two equal part. That is northern temperate and southern tropical lands. That in northern temperate and southern tropical lands. Okay, can you understand, students? Today we discussed about the location and the extent of India. The next class we will discuss about the other details about our nation. Okay, we will see the next class. Okay, students, just you see the map. Today's homework is you have to do two maps. Okay, today's homework is you have to do two maps, two outline maps. One maps you have to do north-south corridor. Okay, one maps you have to do north-south corridor. North-south corridor is from Indra Col to Kanyakumari. Okay, from Indra Col to Kanyakumari. The kilometer is 3214 kilometer. Okay, to 3214 kilometer. Then the next map you have to do east-west corridor. The next map you have to do east-west corridor. That is from Ran of Kutch in Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, Ran of Kutch in Gujarat, it is in west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. The extension of east-west corridor is 2,933 kilometer. That extension, how much kilometer extended, that kilometer also you have to mention in the map. Okay, likewise 2 maps I gave, that 2 max work you have to do. And also one of two important question also I am going to say, which is the smallest and largest state. Okay, which is the smallest and largest state? The smallest state is Goa. Okay, which is the smallest state? The smallest state in India is Goa, and the largest state in India is Rajasthan. Okay, the smallest state in India is Goa. The largest state in India is Rajasthan. Okay, and one word also I will discuss, which the states which do not have an international border. Some of the states do not have an international border. Which are the states are do not have an international border? Okay, there are 5 states are do not have an international border. Okay, in India there are 5 states do not have an international border. They are Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Telangana, and Chhattisgarh. Okay, students, once again I will repeat. Those who are taking notes, you have to write and keep these one words. Okay, the first one is, which is the smallest state in India? Which is the smallest state in India? That answer is Goa. Answer is Goa. The next question, which is the largest state in India? Answer is Rajasthan. Okay, answer is Rajasthan. Then the next question, uh, which are the states do not have an international border? Which are the states do not have an international border? The answer is Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Telangana, Chhattisgarh. Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Telangana, Chhattisgarh. Okay, you have to write and keep these questions. These one words are important one words. These one words are related to your 10th portion. So you have to write and keep these one words, and every day you have to learn these one words. Okay, in the first class also I gave some one words, that also you write and take on 200-page note. And today's class one words also you have to write and take in 200-page note, and you have to learn. Okay, students, and the map work also you do. We will meet the next class. Thank you, students.